world was sad and gray. Until Candy appeared. Matthew, this is magic. I think I put on some weight. Phil, what do you think? Did I get fat? You look stunning. No way! Let me check. I knew it! A whole extra ½ inch! Again! That's it! No more candy! I'm hitting the button! Phil, it's too late! How come? Where's the poster with my favorite Snickers ice cream? There's broccoli there now! Oh, my Snickers! Phew, it's safe! A cucumber? All the sweet food in the world couldn't just vanish into thin air. I found it! What? A cactus? Got it! Sweet! No way! It's veggies again! At least there are some cookies left. What? Are these cotton pads? It's a cake and cupcakes. No, anything but this. I remember. Is this chocolate? Can I have it? Hang on, it's soap. Melt soap base. Add melted cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Fill a chocolate bar mold with it. Let it harden. There is nothing to live for. I don't have any candy. Oh, new chips with spicy sharp cheddar. Oh, I even cut myself. You need cotton. Got it. Phew, this is better. Oh, cotton will come in handy for me too. Here's your order. Oh, Jell-O. I'm gonna try it. Fill a plastic cup with hair gel. Attach a decorative label to foil. Cut off the excess. Attach it to the cup. It's perfect for my beard. I'll style my hair too. It smells great. What do you think? Let me fix it. Perfect. Thanks. Give me some honey, bee. I won't leave you alone. I changed my mind. I don't even like honey. Gosh, what an exciting movie. I definitely need a snack, but I have a Mexican veggie mix instead of Skittles. It's tasty and healthy. Oh, wow! I finished it. Oh, no! My belly! Dreams are crazy sometimes. The exhibition at this museum is amazing. You'll love it. What is it? An art piece called The Last Snickers on Earth. It will be mine. What? Lillian! Oh, no! Officer, let her go! She's just hungry. That's so lucky. It's jam! I need toast. It's gonna be so yummy. Oh, what's this? There's something wrong with this jam. Did it expire? Mix equal parts colored liquid soap and slime glue. Add baking soda and borax. Make slime. Put it in a jar. Decorate it like a jar of jam. Yikes! Now I'm all covered in this weird jam. Phil, what are you doing? That's slime! It's not edible! Here you go! Take that! So, Is it still funny? Emily, let's watch Charlie and the… What? Corn Factory? I thought the title was something else. It doesn't matter. I'll have popcorn. Whatever you want. Could we get a popcorn? Thanks. Enjoy the movie. I want popcorn. No, you eat it with a spoon. Here.
Oh.
What? Is this boiled corn? I like it. Totally agree. Onion and garlic salad. It's so healthy. Yummy! What's that smell? Oh, it's me. The smell of onion and garlic isn't the nicest. I need to freshen my breath. Mentos should help. Oh, where are they? Connect two lip balms. Wrap the edges with colored foil. Attach a printed Mentos label. Smells nice. I'll try to get rid of the smell with the lip balm. Great! Hi, how was your day? Oh, Phil! So much happened today. Why are you moving away? Never mind. Is it because of the garlic smell? I shouldn't have had that salad. Emily, don't worry. I know how to fix it. Here. Wow, is this mint? It's refreshing.
Oh.
Okay. You're right. Thanks. You're welcome. I'll have some too. The mint smells so fresh. Thank you, Phil. Matthew is fast asleep, not suspecting anything. Where is it? Not here. Not here either. Nothing. Who are you? The Tooth Fairy. I need your tooth, and I'm gonna get it. No way. When there's no candy, teeth don't fall out. Emily, close your eyes. Is it actually a ring? You wish. Here, surprise. Thanks. But there's seafood instead of candy.
What?
I had nothing to do with it. It's okay. I know what to do with it. That was so awkward. A seafood salad. Bon appetit. Wow, Emily, you're amazing. This is delicious. I love birthdays. Happy birthday, Matthew. This is for you. This is all for me. Wow. What a unique Hubba Bubba. Guys, enjoy. There will be enough to go around. Who can make the biggest bubble? This party is awesome! Coffee without sugar. How can anyone drink this? Phil, what's wrong with you? I really miss sugar. Don't worry, I have something. A Kinder Surprise. Is this a regular egg? You should have seen your face. Okay, don't be mad. Give it to me. I'll cook you a nice breakfast. After a few minutes, it's done. Here, enjoy. Oh, I love fried eggs. Thanks. Surprise! Don't peek. Happy birthday, buddy. Wow, thanks. It's a pizza cake. And now let's dunk the birthday boy into the cake like we always do. It's so much fun and very delicious. Thanks, friends. And you get some edges. Enjoy. What? We need to change this tradition. I can't take this anymore. I'm leaving. Oh no! I need to eat some ice cream to cope. Add water to wasabi powder. Mix until you get the right consistency. Make ice cream scoops. Oh, it's so spicy! I feel really horrible! And soy sauce instead of Coke! But sushi rolls will be great with this ice cream. I'll add some soy sauce. Oh, I'm so miserable! Honey, do you want a snack? Oh, you know how much I hate peanut butter. Oh no, it's not peanut butter. It's hummus. You love it. Soak chickpeas in water and boil them for 2 hours. Toast some sesame seeds. Put everything in a blender. Add vegetable oil, salt, paprika, and lemon juice. Blend it to get an even consistency. Put in a sterilized jar. Oh, wow! Thanks a lot! I would love to eat some hummus. It's delicious! Try it! These cucumbers are making me sick. At this rate, Phil will turn into the Hulk. I think I lost weight. Let me check. Oh yeah! I went down half an inch. Uh-huh. I'm happy. This is great! I can hit the button! Wow! Sugar's back! Awesome! Babe, are you happy? Marshmallows! Taste amazing! Oh, my tooth hurts! I'm stuck! Help! I can't get out! There's a marshmallow stuck in your teeth! No! Got it! Oh! Ew! We need to cut down on sugar! Did you like our video? Then comment below and tell us if you've ever had a sugar-free day! And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.